In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a footer on Wix. Whether you're building a website for your business, a personal blog, or any other project, having a well-designed footer is essential. It's a section at the bottom of your website that can display important information like contact details, links, or even social media icons. A good footer can improve the user experience and make your site feel complete. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the process of customizing your footer on Wix, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the look and feel of your site. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Head over to the Wix website, enter your credentials, and sign in. Once you're in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. From here, you'll see a list of all the websites you've created. Now, select the website you want to work on, simply click on it, and it will bring up the option to open the editor. Next, open the website editor for the chosen site. The editor is where all the magic happens. It's where you'll customize your site and add the footer. Once the editor loads, you'll see your website layout displayed in the center of the screen, along with a variety of tools and options around the edges. Now, look for the page icon in the editor. It's represented by a small rectangle, typically located on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on that icon and it will open up a list of all the pages on your site. This is where you can manage and navigate between your home page, about page, contact page, and any other pages you've created. From the list of pages, find your home page. This is usually the main page visitors will land on when they come to your site. Once you've located it, you'll notice 3 dots next to the home page name. Click on those 3 dots to open a menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings. Doing so will open a new menu specifically for your homepage settings. In this menu, you'll see several options on the left-hand side. Click on the one labeled Layout. The Layout option allows you to adjust how your page is structured. Under the Layout settings, make sure to select Standard. This will configure your web page layout to a conventional mode, which is important for ensuring the footer section behaves as expected. Once that's done, you can return to the main editor view. Now scroll down to the very bottom of the page within the editor. This is where you'll find the footer section. The footer is a distinct area at the bottom of your website, separate from the main body of your page. Click on the footer section to begin editing it. At this point, you can start adding elements to your footer. Wix provides a variety of drag-and-drop tools to make this easy. For example, you can add text boxes to include your contact information or business hours. You can also add icons for your social media profiles or links to important pages on your site, like your privacy policy or FAQ page. Once you've added the elements you want, take some time to edit and format them. Adjust the text, change the font, and align everything to match your website's theme. Consistency is key. Your footer should complement the overall style and branding of your site. Finally, review your footer to make sure it looks clean, simple, and relevant. It's important to avoid cluttering this space with too much information. Focus on including only the most essential details that visitors may need to quickly access. And there you have it. You've successfully added and customized a footer on your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.